Hey y'all, so this video is on my makeup. I am 80% mineral makeup. That's the percentage that I think in my mind, and we just gonna go with that. So this is the look and we'll get into it. Okay, are y'all ready? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel, I tend to cater to the curvy women of the world. I teach them fashion, style, and beauty tips. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. This video is on my makeup. I am 80% mineral makeup. That's the percentage that I think in my mind, and we just gonna go with that. So if that's something you're interested in, this is the video for you. It's gonna be a voiceover video, and yeah, make sure you leave me a comment at the end.
Drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me.
Okay y'all, so welcome to the tutorial. Right now I am using my setting powder to set my face. I use a color that's close to my skin tone to cover up my dark spots. I'm using a patting motion to cover up the darker areas. The more product you pack on top of it, the more that it covers. So that's what we're doing now. And also I put the powder around my nose so it doesn't crease and I don't sweat. I put it on my eyebrows to keep them steady. Here we are combing our eyebrows. Alright, I'm using this pencil I got from the beauty supply store. All the links will be down below. And I'm doing my eyebrow routine. I'm gonna slow it down in the next clip so y'all can really see what I'm doing. But basically I'm doing little strokes like I'm painting a picture to create like fake baby hairs. So first I am outlining. I do like my under eyebrow to create the shape, and then I take the pencil and do the top line and I close it in at the edge. Yes, yep. And then in the middle I am doing little strokes just so it looks like it's not so sharp. And on the inside I fill it in a little bit because as you can see I already had eyebrow hair. I'm just like filling it in to create the shape. I'm going to conceal my eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn. I love this concealer. It's super cheap, it's super good. It's just going to be a holy grail of mine regardless of what makeup I'm doing. And I outline my eyebrow. If you think your eyebrows are too thick, this is a good way to make them smaller and just give them the shape that you're looking for. Okay, now I'm using my Real Techniques brush and I am blending out the concealer. I'm using like little stippling motions, so I'm like brushing it in little areas, okay? So you don't want to like smooth it all the way around or smear it. You're like brushing it out with the brush. Next, this is my beauty blender. I got it from Target. It's the Sonia Kashuk beauty blender. It's a little dirty because I am black and all my makeup is brown, okay? And this is the foundation that I'm using. It's by Cover FX. Again, all of the color, everything will be linked in the description bar. And you have to shake this foundation up. It is mineral foundation, so you do have to shake it up before you use it. And also you're gonna have to use a little bit much. So right here is one squirt and I am patting it on my skin. So you see how it's covering it up? I'm patting it into my skin to like melt it down. Just like butter on some toast, girl. We're getting buttery, all right? And same, I did one more squirt and I'm hitting the other side of my face. In the tougher areas, you wanna make sure that you're patting on the product. If you smear it, it's not going to cover it, but if you pack it on, then it'll cover your dark areas.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting my way. I know my heart can't take no more. I can't
Alright, now we're going to set our face. I'm using the same Cover FX setting powder that we used in the beginning, and I do this just to set the mineral foundation in place. Cover FX is also a mineral makeup powder, so you have to set the foundation or it's going to dissolve quicker. Next, I'm using the Cover FX concealer. This concealer is very liquidy, okay, so you need to get your correct color, and also you need to let the product sit on your face a little bit. It's a cute concealer, give or take. I don't know if I will purchase it again, but it does the job, and I like the color selection that they have. So yeah, it's mineral as well because it's a Cover FX product. Right here I'm using my same beauty blender to pat in the foundation. I am not smearing my concealer. I'm using the very tip to pat it underneath my eye and also to drag it underneath my bags, okay? But I'm not smearing it. I'm like patting it, if that makes sense. I also do my upper lip just to give me a little highlight. I was going out this night, so I was trying to get a little bit beat. When you want to get super beat, you get that mustache area. And also I'm smearing it out the foundation over my forehead and on my nose. I think I was listening to somebody, girl. I don't know. Next, I'm using the what is this? Anastasia powder, the translucent honey. This is not mineral. This is not mineral, but I think the Cover FX is out. So I still use this till this day. It doesn't give me no reaction, but when I tell you, look how it just sets the makeup. This translucent honey, I think it battles the Sacha Buttercup, in my opinion. This is a drugstore product. This is my favorite contour eyeshadow highlight palette. I'm using the contour color, the dark brown, to contour my nose and my cheeks. On my eyelids, I use the middle shade, which is called Scope. And then on my highlights, I use the highlight area. This brush is from Target as well. I'm gonna link it down below. But this is how I contour. The way that I contour is I kind of smile and I follow above my cheekbone. I don't go underneath, I go above it. Because I feel like when I go underneath it, it doesn't look right. And then I'm using the brown powder, the setting powder in the beginning to create a sort of crease underneath the contour. And what that does, it just makes it look like it's different sections. You know, I don't want everything to be blended together. And I'm just using a cheap eyeliner that I got from NYX. And I'm using that same brush that we set our face with. And I'm dusting off the powders. All the powders that I put on, I'm dusting it off. And setting my face again. And I'm going to set my face with the e.l.f. What is this? Mist and spray? Girl. It's either this or the NYX. I like to drench my face when I'm going out. And I'm using the highlight to highlight my face. I spray and then I highlight. I don't know who taught me that. Some of these YouTubers taught me, girl.
Hey guys, so I hope that video was very helpful. I hope this was beginner friendly, drugstore friendly. You can get all these products at either Ulta, Walmart, or the beauty supply, okay? Just like that. But I thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure if you have any other questions or comments, this was requested by a subscriber, so shout out to her, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace and her grease, y'all. Peace. And all the links to the products will be in the description bar. Make sure you are subscribed. Are you subscribed, girl? Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it so you don't miss any of my other videos. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at xoChloeElise. And until next time, peace and her grease, y'all. Because I'm about to go out and I look a little bit cute still. And y'all see my natural hair popping? Okay, peace out, y'all. See y'all.